Ito na yung third times na harvest namin. After 2 days, meron na naman mahinog. So, makalibre na kami ng kamatis. Mahal ang kilo ng kamatis ngayon. Siguro 150 yata ang per kilo. Masarap ito kasi native cherry tomatoes. At saka ito, iba ito sa dito. Oh. Ayan. Meron din dito, meron din ganito sa Pilipinas, di ba? Ayan. Native na tomatoes yan. Masarap ito na na kahit ito lang yung ulam mo, mo sa kanin tapos lagyan mo ng konting asin, hindi na gagamitin ng ng kutsilyo. Bali kung sa Ilocano pisaken, then lagyan ng konting asin. O masarap na ito sa sa kanin, ulam. O kung may yung pritong daing, sarap nito, partner ng kamatis. Look our tomatoes. So many green are coming and there are already ripe tomatoes here. Ayan. Bismillah. So many flowers and green tomatoes. Oh, here. Ayan, oh. Mashallah. This is very nice tomatoes. We have also like this one in Philippines. This kind of tomatoes. This is not first harvest. This is third harvest. We harvest these tomatoes. And our, what you call this? Patola or tori. Battle guard. Now flowers. Flowers are coming. Ayan, mga tomatoes, patola, ayan, may puno din dito. This is also, what is this?
Cucumber.
This is cucumber. This one. Sunflowers. Where's tomato? There is also here. Mashallah. Very nice kind of tomatoes, this one. Ganda ng pagkahinog. Ayan. And our eggplants. Now flowers are coming. Our eggplants. Ayan. Yan sila kay.
I make to spray that down for corn. Too much already. Burn.
Ayan. Konti-konti. Maybe after 2 to 3 days, there is more again ripe tomatoes.
Every week you can. Every other 2 days you can.
Every 2 days na?
Yeah.
And you see our corns, mashallah. Ayan ang mga corns namin. And this is cucumbers. Oh, there is already flowers. Ito yung ano, yung ang tawag dito. Dito gagapang yung ano, yung patola. Ito. Ginawan na ng bahay para gagapang. So ito lang muna yung third na harvest namin ng tomatoes. Yung first and second, ganito din. Ganito din kadami. Yung first and second and third, ganito din. Ayun, may fresh coriander leaves. Talong. Ganda ng ano, flowers ng ano, eggplants, talong oh. Vegan tawag nila dito, itong talong. Ayan, may patatas din dito oh. Ayan, patatas yan.